Okay, so it's again very useful and very handy. You can very quickly identify blocks or intervals that maybe need more of your consideration. All right, and I think lastly, we can do something about trajectory loading. Okay, we want to load trajectory. And how do we do that? First, we go to project and then additional options, load well data. Okay, and then let's add trajectory. So here, go to trajectory, and then let's find the file, open this one. Okay, so this is our file or our folder. And yeah, again, this is the sample file from tNavigator. And we go to include and we find this welltrack.dat. Okay, and just click on open here. Okay, and then let's change the type to trajectory. And then of course, click on OK. Okay, so now you see, also we need to tick this one, draw trajectory. And now we have the line which indicate the trajectory. And you see something happen, some changes here after we add the trajectory. Now we cut a little bit of our cells or our blocks, and we can clearly see the connection. Let's uncheck the draw trajectory. Okay, you see the difference, right? Okay. So this is the condition after we draw the trajectory. And let's say we can also do this in arithmetic command line. We can type in W for well, M maybe for masking, okay, and T for trajectory, and C for connection. And then let's type in this involving asterisk and then comma and 1. Okay, we will select blocks through which well trajectory will go. Okay. By the way, 1 here means well. Okay. All right. So now, because we use only one, trajectory will also be considered. Okay. So again, this command line, this function will select blocks or cells through which well trajectory goes. So well trajectory goes through these blocks, through those blocks, and so on and so forth. And as before, this typing, okay, must to select wells, which means all wells. Okay, all wells. And 1 is for condition for the well, for each of these wells. Okay. Yeah, but I think the previous cases are more useful because in many cases we want to find blocks that are connected to our well bores, you know, that have sufficient oil saturation and sufficient pressure and permeability greater than the average permeability. We want to concentrate more on those blocks. Maybe maybe we can do workover, maybe we need to do stimulation. For example, maybe we can do fracturing to blocks that have, very, very low permeability. Maybe we can do that. All right. And I think that's pretty much all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next tNavigator videos. Thank you.